Years ago, this amazing creative pastry chef named Dominique Ansel created a new pastry. It was called the Cronut. Dominique Ansel took a croissant and he combined it with a donut and he made a Cronut. There are lines down the street in New York to get your hands on a Cronut. For months, he was lauded as the genius of pastry. Dominique Ansel didn't just create something new. He actually used the formula for innovation. What he did was he took a familiar form, the croissant and the donut, and he created an improved usage model by putting those two things together. Everyone knows what a croissant is. Everyone knows what a donut is. So they were familiar. So innovation is a familiar form, something you know, with a improved usage model. Change in the way someone uses it. And that's the majority of innovation falls within that category, the evolution category. The revolution category is when something like Facebook or the personal computer is created. And those things don't happen very often, and you're very lucky if you're part of that, but it would be unusual for your ability to plan that way.